Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIE Vision School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today we are going to have a class with the students of class 3. Our today's subject is English literature and today we will do rearrange. Our today's lecture number is 17 and SW number 13. My dear students, you will do SW rearrange number 1 to 5. Now see what you have to do. We have to rearrange the words. Here to say, rearrange the following words into correct sentences. Number 1, food cooks mother. We have to arrange these to make a meaningful sentence like mother cooks food. Number 2, famous Qazi is Nazrul poet Islam. So what will be the answer? Qazi Nazrul Islam is a famous poet. Number 3, going you are where? The answer will be where are you going? My dear friend, we have to be so careful to start the sentence with the capital letter. We must start the sentence with capital letter, and if it is a question, we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. If it is a common sentence or normal sentence, assertive sentence, in that case we have to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Number 4, father, I, Dhaka, my, come to with. So the answer will be I came to Dhaka with my father. Full stop. Number 5, everybody, you, every day, you, do, go to school, question mark. The answer, do you go to school every day? Do you go to school every day? We must put full question mark at the end of the sentence. Loves everybody flowers. The answer is everybody loves flowers. Full stop. Number 7, friendly the very boy is. The answer will the boy is very friendly. Number 8, father, what is the your of name? The answer will be what is the name of your father? At the end we have to put question mark and at the beginning we have to start with capital letter. Number 9, does where live he? The answer will where does he live? Number 10, football, I too like play. Answer will be I like to play football. Full stop. Okay, my dear student, you must practice this at home. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.